Have you ever heard that the smartest people are the ones that can explain things more simply? Well, I believe that that's true. And I want you to get yourself smarter and smarter and smarter through the time on your podcast. Whereas I have found that the easiest way for me to get a point across is to try to explain it in really, really simple terms. And I will mention that there's two types of podcasters. There's the type of podcaster that always serves their perfect avatar, how their avatar was the day that they met them. And then there's the other type that doesn't always serve their avatar because the reason that they fail, the reason that they're not able to do it is because they continue to think, okay, my avatar is, let's just say Sarah. Sarah's my avatar. And my avatar is Sarah. And then in episode 1, I already taught Sarah this one thing. And so she knows it. And so episode 2, I already taught that person that thing to her. So she already knows that. And on the 3rd and 4th and 5th, they, hopefully not you, at the end of the day, this podcaster that's failing continues to think that Sarah has been on this journey for 7 years with them or 100 episodes or whatever. You fill in the blank of how long you've been having your podcast. Maybe you're 10 episodes in, maybe you're 700 episodes in. It doesn't matter. But imagine your avatar, name them. I'm just going to pretend for now on this episode that it's Sarah. Sarah is my perfect avatar. And I want Sarah to have this and this and this. And I've already done 700 episodes. So Sarah is probably pretty smart now. And so I've got to teach her something new. I've got to go above her and beyond. I need to just start using acronyms that she never would have understood in the beginning. But I got to say it now because it's faster. Or I got to say it now because it makes me sound smarter. No, I'm sorry. The smartest people are the ones who can explain things simply.